So, what's been on your mind lately?
Honestly, I said no to my friend last week. He asked me to help him move, and I had too much going on, so I told him I couldn't make it.
That sounds reasonable. How did that feel?
Terrible. I felt guilty the whole day. I kept checking my phone, waiting for him to be angry, and he wasn't even angry. He said it was totally fine, but I still felt awful.
So he wasn't upset, but you were.
Yeah, which makes no sense, right?
It makes complete sense, actually. Can I ask, growing up, what happened when you said no to someone? A parent, maybe, or a friend?
My mom would get quiet, not angry, just distant, like I'd disappointed her, and that silence felt worse than if she'd just yelled.
So you learned something very early. That saying no leads to losing someone's warmth, their approval, maybe even their love.
I never thought about it like that.
Most people don't, but your brain made a rule that kept you safe as a child. The rule was keep others happy, and you stay loved. The problem is you're still running that rule as an adult, even when the other person is completely fine.
My brain is basically lying to me.
Not lying. It's protecting you from a danger that no longer exists. That guilt you feel, it's not about your friend. It's an old alarm going off for an old threat. It
It's actually kind of sad.
is. And it's also not your fault. But here's the important question. Whose needs matter in that moment when someone asks something of you?
Mine too, right? But
Yours too. Exactly. Saying no is not a betrayal, it's a boundary. And a boundary is just you telling the truth about what you can and cannot give right now.
what if they leave? What if they actually get angry?
Then you'll survive it. And more importantly, anyone who only stays when you say yes. Were they really there for you?
I guess not.
The goal isn't to stop caring about people. It's to care about yourself with the same energy you give everyone else. That's not selfish, Adam. That's just balanced.
I think I've never heard anyone say that to me before.
Maybe it's time you started saying it to yourself.